As electrical system designers work on an electrical project, it is critical to collaborate and share pertinent data, while still maintaining project integrity and accuracy. Designers must ensure that selected parts are accurate, that stakeholders have access to the information they need, and that all collaborators maintain a single source of truth for the project. Now electrical designers can take advantage of SolidWorks PDM Professional to manage all of these requirements with the PDM connector tool in SolidWorks Electrical. Let's take a look. SolidWorks Electrical makes it easy to start a project from scratch or with a copy of an existing project. Quickly create a new project right from Windows Explorer just as you would with any other PDM file. Immediately, the SolidWorks Electrical project is stored and managed within the PDM vault. As the project is generated, it's easy to start adding critical project properties. To define project elements such as a contract number, use a PDM serial number, which automatically generates a unique ID, thereby greatly reducing the risk of errors. As the project progresses, part selection is simplified with filters to narrow down choices. The SolidWorks Electrical library is now synchronized with PDM, so you can determine at a glance if the parts under consideration are approved for use. This synchronization enables companies to control access to library information without needing to open SolidWorks Electrical. Manufacturer part details are managed through data cards for both parts and cables, and then pushed into Electrical upon synchronization. Granular control allows synchronization of all manufacturer parts or just selected libraries. This process can be seamless for the designer, who just works as normal with added confidence that the parts in use are approved and up to date. As design work nears completion, let's take a look at how the project is managed in the vault. Each project book gets a folder with individual copies of each schematic. A complete archive of the project is included, plus a full PDF of the design. These ensure downstream stakeholders have clear and concise visibility of the entire electrical project. Now, no time is lost on preparing deliverables to share, and stakeholders requesting updates will not interrupt design work. Accurate bills of materials that leverage the synchronized library are automatically placed in a separate folder. They are easily accessible by anyone across the enterprise, not just the electrical designers. This bill of materials references the part library. You can easily see which designs are utilizing individual parts. Bill of materials organization is important. In addition to grouping data by location, you can now group by component type or a single global BOM. Organize data in the way that makes the most sense for you and your team. It's also easy to take advantage of PDM functionality such as compare bills of materials to review what has changed between versions. The updated PDM connector tool for SolidWorks Electrical gives you greater control of all product design data. Design teams will always have access to up-to-date information, keeping your project accurate and on time.